Hello, everyone. We're Nomos, and we're supercharging generative AI. The world of computing is changing as we know it, and everybody from small startups to large enterprises wants to utilize generative AI in their applications. However, productionizing generative AI is incredibly challenging. LLMs hallucinate and act unpredictably. Iteration and changes are non-deterministic, and LLM operations are extremely complicated. We know this because we've interviewed over 100 engineers, often having multiple meetings with them to make sure we build a deep understanding of their workflows, use cases, and challenges. Let's take a deeper look at one of our early partners, a large public company building a CX chatbot with ambitions of reducing CX costs by 100x. They're running into a few issues. Hallucinations and incorrect responses introduce negative experiences and compliance risks, completely blocking production rollout. In order to iterate against hallucinations and incorrect responses, over 4 stakeholders need to work together, including CX, engineering, product, and compliance. This translates into complex and expensive coordination, making it nearly impossible to ship an enterprise-grade compliant chatbot. The lack of automated data orchestration drastically slows development and iteration between different workflow steps. And the performance impact of new changes is challenging to measure, meaning that decision makers are flying blind and development is unguided. To solve these issues, they've tried to stitch together different tools, specializing in specific areas, the same way that you might in traditional software engineering. However, these tools don't talk to each other, and regular engineers are not AI engineers, meaning it's not intuitive to them what kind of data needs to flow between different workflow steps. This happens because developers and the first generation of LLM tooling are trying to retrofit traditional software paradigms where development is largely linear, code flows in one direction from development to production, and you don't need to reuse production data in your iteration workflow to build the best application. This is why the Nomos approach is fundamentally different, because we help you improve your applications with production data and human feedback so that you can build the best AI application. We do this by taking a unified, holistic approach. This is the same approach used by the world's best NLP practitioners, and only the world's most sophisticated NLP companies operate in this manner. We're the only platform applying reinforcement learning concepts and leveraging state-of-the-art NLP techniques to generative AI application development. In our platform, data flows seamlessly between the playground, evaluation, and observability, all tied together by an easy-to-use, simple SDK. Let's see how the Nomos platform helps our CX chatbot customer. We've built the most advanced playground in the industry, where engineers, compliance, CX, and product can all seamlessly collaborate to create new, better chatbot versions. Our evaluators surface and prevent hallucinations at the observability layer helps stakeholders understand whether the 100x cost improvement has materialized, and if not, why not? And our SDK ties everything together, allowing data to flow seamlessly between development, evaluation, and observability. We help all engineers become AI engineers without them even realizing it. And our approach is already resonating strongly. We have multiple paying customers. We're in evaluation for 5 enterprise-sized deals, including with companies like Uber, Webflow, and Robinhood. We are strategically onboarding from our waitlist of over 60 organic customers. And it's clear that the market is huge. Our CX chatbot contract is a contract starting at $250K ARR. And we know over 70% of companies are building Gen AI applications now. And we're the right team to do this. I'm Edmund, I'm the founder and CEO of Nomos. Prior to this, I was a founding engineer at Neva and Plaid, where I built robust NLP systems with the world's best NLP practitioners. The same practitioners who built Google Search, Google Brain, Google Assistant, and TensorFlow. Davina is the co-founder and CTO at Nomos. Prior to Nomos, she was a founding and senior staff software engineer at Robinhood, where she built some of the earliest, most critical systems, including Robinhood Clearing, that contribute to their amazing success today, scaling the company from 0 to 39 million users. We've also been able to put together a team of heavy hitters from companies like Robinhood, Plaid, Meta, and Google. The future will be built on generative AI applications. And Nomos will be the way that generative AI applications get built. Let's usher in the age of generative AI together. Thank you all.